Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Makartt Polygel Kit. It's an older one that I bought quite some time ago and I forgot I had it. So with fall around the corner, I thought it had some nice fall colors and that's what we're going to be using today. This is Makartt's Eberouge Polygel Kit's 12 color nail extension gel kit. In this kit, you get some dual forms, which I'm actually going to be using dual forms today. I haven't done any in some time and I figured it would be a good time to do that. But like I said, 12 colors, they're all really pretty. They're super glittery, sparkly. You get your top coat and your base coat. You also get this really pretty rainbow Makartt Polygel brush with the brush on the end and the spatula on the other side. And then you also get this really pretty gradient hand file rainbow color. So these don't have any names, they are just numbers. So this is the first half, uncured. Really pretty colors. They all got this pearly, shimmery texture to them. I think I'm definitely going to use this one here as one of my colors. Maybe that one too, but there's an orange in here that I want to try too. These ones are the next 6 down here. You can't really tell in the light, but this is more of a yellow and that's more of a bright green, like a neon green. So I'm definitely going to use this color and then I'm thinking that color. I was going to use that one, but that looks a little bright. This is after they are all cured. Nothing really looks any different after they've been cured. These are the dual forms. They have 2 different sizes in here. These ones here are more curved. Got more of a curve to them, a C curve. Not my favorite kind of nail. If you look at my nails, I have really super like flat nails, nothing really special, but a little complicated because I have wide nail beds, but these ones actually fit pretty good. So I'm going to use the long flat ones. And this is the biggest size, so that's really the one I'll have to use for that hand. This is after I have them all picked out. And with Polygel, you're going to need a slip solution. Grab your dampened dish. And actually, before we use I'm using 91% alcohol. Before you use that though, you're going to want to prep your nails, obviously. Got to start there. So I'm just going to start by pushing my cuticles back, and then I'm going to take my e-file and just kind of pick up any of the dead skin around my cuticle area, and then we will move on to the next step.
I'm good. I'm head over shoes on hardwood. For me, you know I wrote the book. I'm moving along from somebody wrong. So go ahead, tell me all the ways you miss it. How you want me back in your bed, but I'm not around for hearing you out. I gave you too much honestly, and you closed the door. Now you're calling me, but I don't need you anymore. Yeah.
Now that you have prepped your nails, you're going to take a dehydrator and we're just going to suck up all the oils that are on our nails.
Messing with a girl from the east side, yeah.
Now I found a bunch of these little sequins and glitters that I wanted to use in this set. A couple of these I found on Etsy. These 2 came in a Model 1's Polygel kit that I received. And then this here is a Makartt glitter. But I thought all of these would look really cute together and we're gonna just make these work. So now we're going to take our base coat and we're going to apply this on the nail first.
I gave you too much honestly, and you closed the door.
I'll do one nail at a time. But you cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. Okay, so I think I'm going to do like an ombre. This kit doesn't have a clear, so I grabbed a clear from my green kit that I have from Makartt. Now I'm going to take some of that clear, put that right in the tip there. If you look right here, you'll see that there's a little dot there. I don't want to go over that, so I'm just going to try to stay right underneath it. The nice thing about polygel is that you can work it as much as you need to before you cure it. There is absolutely no hurry. So now I'm going to kind of squeeze those in there. I only want to grab like one or two at a time. Going for fall, I don't want it to look too Halloween-y, but it's hard to do that with these colors. All right, so now I'm just gonna try to cure the top of it only. I don't want to cure the bottom too much, just because the bottom of the nail can shrink, or the dual form can shrink when you go to put it on your nail. And then I'm gonna take a little bit more clear and pack that on there now. You want the bottom of the cuticle to be pretty thin so it doesn't look too bulky. All right, see how that looks. You don't want to push too hard, because if you push too hard, you'll see your nail pop through the underside, and I hate that because I do it all the time. And just keep working it until you get it to where you want it, till it looks secure onto the nail. Try not to cure any on your finger because it'll burn. And then we're going to cure that in the lip. And then I'm just going to feel underneath here, make sure it's cured, and you just wiggle it off. Now that I kind of have an idea of what I'm going to do that now. And it's alright if you, I was going to trim some of this off anyways, but if we need to go add more polygel, just to make it a little more sturdy, we can do that. But all down here, we're going to file and make it all look smooth. So.
It's too late now to turn around and back again. I made my bed and now I lay my head in it. And I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. Misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was.
For my ring finger, I think I'm gonna do like a marble.
Record your voice so I can listen back again. And I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. So do you wanna take me back? All of a broken plans, so we can start again.
The only thing that really bothers me about polygel is that everything gets really sticky, so be prepared for that. If you're wondering what's on this hand, this is just dollar store press-ons. I really couldn't stand the sight of my nails, so I just wanted to throw some on. Now we're going to do the thumb, and I think I'm just going to go in with this color again. This is how they are looking out of the light, not being filed. Polygel leaves a sticky, tacky layer on it, so you'll have to get some rubbing alcohol and clean that up. Polygel is super easy to file, so I'm just going to go through and file all these down, and I'll be back. This is how we're looking after I filed them. They haven't been buffed yet, just use the hand file. There's some areas like right here, the dual form didn't fit all the way. So I do have some builder gel that I'm going to take in there. My only issue with polygel 2 is when you use dual forms, I feel like the structure isn't there. I always feel like they're really thin when I use dual forms, and maybe it's just because I don't use enough. But when you're trying to do designs and stuff in there, it makes it a little harder. So you don't want to pack the cuticle because then it won't fit your nail right, like this one here. Once we have that on there, we're gonna then cure for another 60 seconds. Builder gel, you have to wipe the sticky layer off also. have some gold foils that I was thinking about using. No, I don't want to make it too much. And then I also have these that I really wanted to use. Some of that base coat. I'm going to take that top coat and apply it to all of the nails. I'm also going to apply it underneath the tops of the nails because it's clear and we want that to be as clear as possible. Take your finger up and down the sides of the nails just because we've already filed and shaped, and when you apply top coat and other stuff it can bulk up the side of the nail. Cure for 60 seconds. Now I'm going in with my Young Nails Rose Cuticle Oil. This is the finished look. I could have used a couple of the darker colors to really bring out that fall vibe to it. I guess the colors that I picked are pretty light, but I just kind of went with what fall colors would be, and they just happen to be more of that pearly, iridescent color. So not as dark as I was thinking, but still really cute. I like that you can see the maple leaves through the polygel, and yeah, I think they turned out cute. If you're interested in any Makartt products, you can use my code SFdreambeauty to save 15% off your purchase. They actually just launched a new decor collection a couple days ago, and I can't wait to get mine and get a video out there. But all sorts of fun sequins and glitters, and yes, can't wait to see that. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I really appreciate you watching, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye.